Firstly, open any browser. I am opening Chrome browser. Then search by typing Krea AI. Search Krea website a bit below or above. And sign up to create a new account. Then click on the 3 lines. Then click on Enhance option. Upload your photo. Give the upscaling factor. Select Style. Click on Enhance. See before and after. Click on the download option to save the photo. Thanks for watching full video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel for next video.